Hey, Dewan here, and thanks for checking out this product review. Now, before we get started and jump into this review, I want to let you know that if you would like to work with your very own personal internet marketing coach to help you copy and paste your way to an online income of up to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. You can grab the reviewed product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'm going to give you my 3 awesome bonuses that are going to help you make money even faster. Okay, so for bonus number 1, you're going to get my detailed strategy for YouTube SEO. That's right, you'll be able to rank your YouTube videos in 2024 on the first page. Rank your YouTube videos with proven SEO strategies I successfully used in 2023 that will continue to work in 2024. You want to get your YouTube videos ranking on the first page and driving more views? In this bonus guide, I'll show you my proven step-by-step blueprint to optimize your videos for YouTube search. Just roll up your sleeves and follow the checklist to start ranking your videos higher in YouTube and getting them in front of your ideal audience. The steps work as we head into 2024, driven by search behavior data and best practices. Okay, so for bonus number 2, access to a strategy that includes a virtually unknown website that will give you 25,000 new email subscribers every single Friday. Follow and do this step-by-step strategy every week, and you can send your offers to thousands of prospects. Get the source and the steps by using my link in the description. For bonus number 3, you're going to get 9 real websites where rich people literally give away free money. You're going to be able to use the money to pay off your bills or start a business. It's true. Yep, there are some websites online where kind, rich people donate to people in need. Okay, now on to the product review.
Are you struggling to attract traffic to your Facebook channel? Look no further. Introducing Nebula Review, the ultimate solution for building a thriving Facebook channel and driving free traffic to your business. Say goodbye to the frustration of low engagement and hello to reaching a wider audience effortlessly. With Nebula Review, you can harness the power of efficient channel building. Say farewell to the days of slow growth and welcome in a new era where your channel skyrockets with increased followers and engagement. Watch as your brand gains visibility and recognition like never before. Unleash the potential of free traffic with Nebula Review. No longer will you have to spend excessive time and money on advertising. By utilizing Nebula Review's features, witness your channel becoming a hub of constant organic traffic, all at no extra cost. Nebula Review helps you elevate your social presence effortlessly. Revel in the joy of increased exposure and enhanced brand reputation. Experience the pride of a growing online community that eagerly engages with your content and offerings. Don't let your Facebook channel fall behind. With Nebula Review, seize the advantage of seamless channel growth, amplified engagement, and organic traffic. Witness the transformation as your business flourishes and your audience expands, all with the help of Nebula Review.